Hey guys, Candida here, and I was sent this super safe box cutter in exchange for my honest review. This box cutter has a foam grip handle, and it makes it really easy for my hands to get a hold of, and then of course it's got the safe blades here. I get packages every day, and I swear I'm always looking for my scissors, and one of the kids ran off with them. So this is perfect when the mail comes. All I've got to do is slide it right in here, and it automatically cuts. It's that easy. I cannot believe how great it does. So it's super easy to use, and it's safe. So as you can see, I've even got my finger here on the top. My finger's safe while I give it a little bit of pressure if it's needed for thicker boxes. This definitely makes opening up the mail go super quick. Not only can I use it on boxes, but it's worked great on envelopes as well. So here I've got an envelope, and I can just slide it in there. And just like that, my envelope is open. I'm not sitting here peeling or any of that stuff. One of my favorite things about the Bucci box cutter is the fact that it's safe for my kids to use. I really do get a lot of packages every day, and sometimes I need help going through them and opening things up. I can let my kids use this without the fear of getting hurt. It's super easy to use, it goes right in. I don't have to worry about them cutting themselves, which is much safer than using a box knife to open boxes. This is also a great gift for anyone that gets a lot of mail or a lot of packages. This is so much easier to slide in and open a box up than trying to get some bulky scissors in. And I don't have to worry about myself or anyone else getting cut. This has been a great addition to not only my home, but my office as well. So I hope you found the review helpful.